tired of your drab, plain car that you may have purchased new? Are you itching for something different and modern and more convenient? Well, today we're going to show you how to upgrade a 2009 Ford Focus. We've got a bunch of stuff in the car and it's going to completely change this car. We are doing a budget build. We got all our stuff from the junkyard. It cost us about $200 so far. One, strip all the components from the dashboard. There's plenty of videos out there. I'm not going to go on about it because I don't really want to waste time. Okay, so step 2 is to replace all your electronics with new ones, pretty much from another car. That's what we did. We went to the junkyard. We got a new cluster. We got a brand new steering wheel. It's got steering wheel controls. It's got cruise control. We got, I believe, is a 6-disc CD changer. I'm not super sure, but we'll see. Our buttons for our cluster are down there now. These two things right here are going to be your best friends: the stubby-ended screwdriver and the 2-jaw puller from Harbor Freight. You flip the ends around on it, so that way you can use the jaw ends to pull the steering wheel off. It's really simple. It's a 24mm bolt in the middle. Really simple, easy process. So we got the battery hooked up and we're gonna check it out and see if it all works. First things first, I could tell that our door chime is different. A lot different. Nice. Nice. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. I will please close the door.